Alright, it's currently 11:07. I woke up kind of late to start vlogging or recording in general. I ended up getting the last components I needed to build my PC, gaming computer, whatever you want to call it, which was my monitor, my keyboard, and my mouse. So I'm gonna do that today instead. Also because I'm lazy and I do not have a video or an idea of what to vlog today. I mean, like, I don't really do much. I sit in the house and play video games and go to practice from time to time. So yeah, that's what we doing today.
I walk around like that nigga. On the trigger, if a nigga wants some smoke, I let it chop, I eat his liver. I came with the 38, I'm leaving with a body. If he try me, doing sloppy, shooting up the big body. I walk around like that.
Okay, I just realized something. When I first decided to build a PC, I watched like 101 videos of how to do it. But that was 3 months ago. So I don't think I still have that knowledge. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back, rewatch some of those videos, and then come back and try to build this thing. Cause if not, guarantee it's gonna be a box full of metal and plastic. So let's get it. Yeah, sir. Got it. Red dot. Listen to how my disc sounds every time you touch it. This thing is obviously not built right. This gives me zero hope of how this PC is gonna come out. So, we got a B365M Pro H motherboard Pro Series by Mizzy Intel motherboards because I have an Intel processor. Also going to my processor, I have a Core i3, 128 gigabyte SSD. This is going to be for my games and stuff like that. And then we have a hard drive, 1 terabyte. This is for my basic components like Windows. We have my monitor. I went with a 24-inch with a 60 gigahertz refresh rate. Then we have my case, which I think is the sexiest part about this build, because everything goes in my case. You don't really see anything but my case really, and my keyboard and my mouse. And to be honest, I forgot the name of the case. I know the company, Montech. Enough nerd stuff. Let's get to building. Alright, so your boy's back. I had to go downstairs and get my screwdriver, my cutter thing, and my zip ties and my knife to unbox everything. And it's time to get to work, bro. I'm time to get to work. Yeah, sir. Hey. Yeah, sir. Like, but I only need these 2 things, nothing else right now. Also, the reason I'm taking everything off the table is because if I mess up these 2 things, it's done. Like, that's it. Grab this bad boy. Yeah, sir. I'm gonna get to work. I just started and I might have just ran into my first problem. They come with thermal paste. That's usually. But I didn't actually make sure that mine came with thermal paste. So either this thing is not gonna have thermal paste and this whole video is shot, or You know, they came in clutch for your boy. I think that's thermal paste. It's gray, just like how the videos were showing me it should look. So, you know what? Just to make sure, I'll call my friend. Hey Siri, call J-Dog. I didn't buy thermal paste, and I'm not sure if this is thermal paste already on the cooler. I can't tell.
Yeah, that's thermal paste.
It's thermal paste?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay, thank God. Okay, I wasn't sure. If anything else happened, I give you a call.
Good luck.
Y'all see how he said good luck, bro? He knows I'm bad. So next is RAM. 16 gigabytes of 3,000. I went with that much RAM, y'all can see. We're just gonna lightly. Alright, bro. So everything that needs to be on the motherboard is already on the motherboard. Now we get to the exciting part, which is my favorite part, honestly. The case. Upside down. And can I just say, you can't tell me that this isn't a sexy case. Look at that. Look at that, bro. Look at the front mesh part. Oh. Oh, that's it. Oh my God. It's really not coming undone. Like, I was not exaggerating, bro. This thing is tight. Ow, it's hurting my finger. You know, forget it. We got a screwdriver for a reason. That was so easy, bro. That's sad. Okay. Oh, can't lose that. Why are you running? Why are you running? All right, found it. Got it. Got that bad boy. All right, I'm proud of myself. That's what it looks like. All right, so I went ahead and installed a few things, like my hard drive back there. Yes, sir. And my SSD. So basically, I installed my storage and the one fan up top. And once again, I'm lost. I don't know what to do. So I'm gonna catch y'all when I go watch another YouTube video. Oh, this is bad. This is bad. All right, so I just ran into something. So, cable management. It's what makes all these cables back here that's gonna be back here in a minute really nice and neat and easy to move around. Or if I need to change something, it's just really good to organize it. But problem I've ran into, why in God's name did these niggas, I mean people, route all the cables to the front if I need to put them in the back? Alright, little update. This is what I'm working with now. I finally got my storage plugged up. Everything pretty much is connected to the motherboard. Everything that needs to be connected to the motherboard is connected to the motherboard. Let's get it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But only problem is that I now have to grab this monstrosity of cables, plug up what needs to be plugged up, and then somehow, like I said, fit that monstrosity into this. Okay, hold up. Let me just align it according. Am I tripping? Am I tripping right now? Ah, wait. I had it. Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Got it. Now, moment of truth. I'll either have to reroute these cables some other way, or by the grace of God, it'll just pop on and do its thing. Moment of truth right here. If it boots up, I'll turn it back off, clean up, and then we can get to the rest of the stuff. But if it doesn't, it's gonna be a part 2. I'm not gonna make this video any longer than it already is. Bro, it doesn't turn on. Oh, look at this. And then you got the top. I'm not sure if y'all saw that one. It's my favorite one. That's the one I bought separately. I'm just happy it boots up. But here's the cleanup process. Since it did boot up, that does mean we have to. I need that. That's Windows. Alright. That does mean we have to clean all of this up. But just look at it. Like my keyboard. Which is magnetic. Oh, yep, it's magnetic. Hey, what's up, bro? Alright, big dog. So I'm recording right now. Say hello to the camera.
Oh, hey.
Bro, my mouse has side buttons. I ain't never had a mouse that had side buttons.
You ain't no bum no more.
Hey, I ain't never had a mouse that had no side buttons. Boy, I don't even know what that is. Boy.
Yikes.
Bro, this mouse feels, oh my god. You ready for this? Can you see it? You can see it.
I'm so ready.
I don't understand. What's wrong?
Come on.
What, you finished with it?
Yeah, come on. Come on. You gotta go. You gotta see. Yeah, be ready to see it too. Everybody ready in the thing. Yeah. Come. Shush. You don't want to smoke.
No.
Are you ready? You ready? It ain't on yet. Give me a minute.
Okay.
Give me a minute.
Okay.
Took a couple hours, but
Look at you.
look at that. Look at that.
Oh, wow.
Look at that. Alright, bro. So it's a whole day later. Like, I'm not even kidding. This is about the same time yesterday that I finished building the PC. So right after my camera cut out yesterday, when my mom came and saw the PC or whatever, it just went downhill from there. I got like a headache, 3 headaches, but it's up now. Here, I didn't got a good news. It's up and running, bro. Looking sexier than ever. Oh my god. Yup. So camera about to die. I guess y'all can wait to see how it actually runs. I mean, I'll be posting videos, like gaming videos or whatever, either on this channel or a separate one, so y'all get to see that. It should be somewhere in the description. Go check that out. But I'm tired. I'm finna just chill out, game a little bit, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.